Good morning, children. I hope you are all doing good by the grace of God. Shall we bow down our heads and pray? Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. God bless you all, children. Take care.
Hi children, today I am going to teach you 2nd standard maths. Word problems from page number 14, mental maths. First question, Aditya bought 6 packets of groundnut balls. Each packet had 5 groundnut balls. How many groundnut balls did he buy? Children, Aditya bought 6 packets of groundnut balls. How many packets? 6 packets. Each packet had 5 groundnut balls. Write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is called repeated addition. Now count all the 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So, the total number of groundnut balls is equal to 30. Now read the second question, children. There are 10 boats. Each boat can accommodate 5 children in it. How many children are there in all? Children, how many boats are there? There are 10 boats. Each boat can accommodate 5 children in it. Now, to find the total number of children, we have to write the number like this. 5 plus 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 5. To find the total number of children, add all the 5's together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Therefore, total number of children in the boats are 50. Look at the third one, children. Ranjit had a bag that can hold 5 notebooks. If he had 6 such bags, then how many notebooks does he have in total? Children, Ranjit had 6 bags. In each bag, there are 5 books. So now we have to write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. To find the total number of notebooks, add all the 5's together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Therefore, total number of notebooks he had is equal to 30. Look at the fourth question, children. Magrini saves 10 rupees a day. How much will she save in 7 days? Children, Magrini saves 10 rupees a day. To find the total amount saved by her in 7 days, we have to write like this. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now add all the 10s together. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. Therefore, total amount saved by Magrini in 7 days is equal to 70 rupees. Look at the fifth question, children. There are 7 plates. Each of the plates has 3 fruits in it. How many fruits are there in all? Children, how many plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plates. Each plate has 3 fruits. To find the total number of fruits, first we have to write like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now add all the fruits together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Therefore, total number of fruits is equal to 21. Next, let us do some word problems, mental maths from page number 19. Children, now we are going to work out all these sums using repeated subtraction. Read the first question, children. Vanitha had 50 mangoes and she made packets of 5 mangoes each and sold them. How many packets does she make? Children, Vanitha had 50 mangoes. She made packets of 5 mangoes each. So write minus 5. So 50 minus 5 is equal to 45. Children, now write this 45 here. 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. Now 40 minus 5 is equal to 35. 35 minus 5 is equal to 30. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Children, this is called repeated subtraction. Let us count how many times we subtracted 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, total number of packets she made are 10. Read the second question, children. There are 30 notebooks in a box. If 6 notebooks are to be given to each student, how many students will get the notebooks? There are 30 notebooks and 6 notebooks are to be given to each student. So write minus 6 here. 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Now write this 24 here. Again we have to subtract 6 from this 24. So 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Write 18 here. Again we have to subtract 6 from this. So 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Now 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us count how many times we have subtracted 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Therefore, 5 students will get 6 notebooks. Read the third question, children. 20 members plan to cross the river by boat. Each boat can carry 4 members. How many times the boat needs to take them? Children, there are 20 members. Boat can carry only 4 members. So write minus 4 here. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Now 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Now 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Children, now let us count how many times we have subtracted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Therefore, 5 times the boat needs to take them. Read the fourth question, children. Mani has 15 rupees with him. If he wants to buy newspaper by spending 3 rupees a day, for how many days can he buy the newspapers? Children, Mani has 15 rupees with him. He wants to buy newspaper by spending 3 rupees a day. So write minus 3 here. So 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Now subtract 3 from 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Now 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us count how many times we have subtracted 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Therefore, 5 days he can buy the newspapers. Read the fifth question, children. Kavya's uncle gave her 20 date fruits and asked her to eat 2 fruits a day. How many days can she eat the fruits? Kavya's uncle gave 20 date fruits. He asked her to eat 2 fruits a day. So we have to subtract 2 from this 20. So 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. 18 minus 2 is equal to 16. 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let us count how many times we have subtracted 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Therefore, Kavya can eat the fruits for 10 days. Children, I request all of you to write down all the sums in your maths note. Let's meet you all in the next class. Thank you, children.
Children, today we are going to learn Unit 1 numbers from page number 15 to 19. Exercise 1.4 Repeated Subtraction. Let us see what is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is a method of subtracting the equal number of items from a larger group. It is also known as division. If the same number is repeatedly subtracted from another larger number until the remainder is 0 or a number smaller than the number being subtracted, we can write that in the form of division.
Wow! Lot of jamun fruits. It tastes good. My friends also like these fruits. What are you looking there? Tata, I need some jamun fruits for my friends. Okay, Ravi, I will give you some fruits. You share them with your friends. Sure, Tata. Thank you. Hi friends, come here. I have bought some jamun fruits. Let us eat. First, let us count the jamun fruits. fruits only. Again I will distribute you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now the basket is empty. I distributed 20 fruits to 5 of my friends for 4 times. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. We have subtracted the number 5 continuously for 4 times. This way of subtraction is known as repeated subtraction. Granny, we are too hungry. Give us something to eat.
Oh, hot yummy paniyarams are ready to eat.
Yummy! I love paniyaram.
You just count the paniyarams.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12 paniyarams are here, Granny.
Okay, share them equally among yourself.
But I don't know how to share it equally.
It is very simple. Let me give one paniyaram to each of you. So, 12 minus 3 is 9. Now I am having 9 paniyarams. Again for the second time, I give one paniyaram to each of you. Now 9 minus 3, 6.
Granny, now you have only 6 paniyarams.
Correct. I will give one to each for the third time too. So 6 minus 3 is 3.
Only 3 paniyarams are left over. For the fourth time, let us take these 2.
Okay. 3 minus 3 is 0. Initially, I had 12 paniyarams. Each time, I took 3 paniyarams. I did this for 4 times and now we have 0. So, how many paniyarams each person got?
We got 4 paniyarams each.
Subtracting the same number 3 repeatedly from 12 till 0 is called repeated subtraction.
Wow, Granny! We have learned repeated subtraction along with hot and spicy paniyarams. Four members and 1 share these candies equally? Go ahead.
Children, let us practice the sums. First question, if Grandma Chinnathai had 12 paniyarams, how many paniyarams will each one of her 3 grandsons get? Totally there are 12 paniyarams. First, 3 paniyarams out of 12 paniyarams are distributed to her 3 grandsons. That is, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Now the grandma has 9 paniyarams. Out of 9 paniyarams, 3 more paniyarams she distributes to her 3 grandsons. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now she has 6 paniyarams. Out of 6, she again distributes 3 paniyarams to her 3 grandsons. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now she has 3 paniyarams left. She again distributes the remaining 3 paniyarams to her 3 grandsons. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Each grandson gets 4 paniyarams. Here 12 paniyarams are distributed equally among the 3 grandsons as 4 paniyarams each. How many paniyarams each grandson gets? Yes, 4 paniyarams. 4 times of 3 is repeated. Second question, if grandma had 20 paniyarams and there are 4 children, how many paniyarams will each child get? Complete the subtraction facts in the table given below. There are 20 paniyarams and it has to be distributed to 4 children. So in the first round she distributes 1 paniyaram for each one. So 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Now 16 is remaining. In the second round, out of 16, she distributes 1 paniyaram for each one. So 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. In the third round, she has 12 paniyarams. Out of 12 paniyarams, she distributes 1 paniyaram for each one. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. In the fourth round, now she has 8 paniyarams. Out of 8, again she distributes 1 paniyarams for each one. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now at last she has only 4 paniyarams. She distributes the 4 paniyarams to 4 children each. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Each child gets 5 paniyarams. How many paniyarams each child gets? Yes, 5 paniyarams. That is 5 times of 4 is repeated. Here 20 paniyarams are distributed to 4 children equally and each child gets 5 paniyarams. Now let us see pleasure time. Write the subtraction facts for following. First, subtract 2 repeatedly from 10. So, here there are 10 apples. From 10, we have to subtract 2 repeatedly. Let us find out. Let us subtract 1, 2. So, 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now we have 8 apples. From 8, we have to subtract 1, 2. Now we have 8 apples. From 8, we have to subtract 2 apples. 1, 2. So, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have 6 apples. From 6, we have to subtract 2 apples. 1, 2. So, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we have 4 apples. From 4, we have to subtract 2 apples. 1, 2. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now we have 2 apples. From 2, we have to subtract 2 apples. 1, 2. So, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Number of times 2 is subtracted to get 0 is 5 times.
How many times we have to subtract 2? We have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Number of times 2 is subtracted to get 0 is 5 times.
Second question, subtract 4 repeatedly from 20. So here there are 20 oranges. So here there are 20 oranges. From 20 we have to subtract 4 oranges repeatedly. Let us subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Now we have 16 oranges. From 16, we have to subtract 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Now we have 12 oranges. From 12, we have to subtract 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now we have 8 oranges. From 8, we have to subtract 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now we have 4 oranges. From 4, we have to subtract 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Number of times 4 is subtracted to get 0 is 5 times.
How many times we have to subtract 4? We have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Children, I hope you all enjoyed our today's session. I request all of you to write down all the exercises neatly in your maths note. Let's meet you all in the next class. Thank you, children.